Hello everybody, Gliderman here. So today we're going to be installing some RAM into this computer here. So I've got the RAM in my hand here, and so it's pretty simple. What you just need to do is you need to line up the notch that is in the RAM with the notch in the slot down here. And then there's two little tabs on either side, one tab on each, that you want to pull back, and in this motherboard it's going to be pulled back on the white ones, but of course that varies per motherboard. Check their motherboard manual. So what we're simply going to do is we're just going to stick it lightly and gently into the slot. Just got to line it up. There we go, that's one side, and then we just simply push down. Little jump cut there. The light source fell down, so we just simply push, and I like to slightly pull up the tabs as we go down, and then it's all secured. Let me grab another stick, and then we're going to put it into the second slot up here, and so we just slide it in and slide it in, and then you can probably see this one a little bit better. I like to pull this up as that pushes down. It's just a personal preference. I feel it gives less strain. Do whatever feels proper for your motherboard. And there we go. Now that RAM is installed. Let me grab the light so you can see it a little bit better. And so that's actually 2 gigabyte sticks for a total of 4 gigs of RAM. And so yeah, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!